Hey guys, Sam Morton from Tech Fusions here, and as you can see in the title, this video is kind of a overview and unboxing. It's just saying that the Zophone i5 isn't working. So I got this, and a few days later it stopped working, and I paid about £150 for this phone, and it's not even working. Tell you what the problem is. Well, we got this cable that came with it, the lightning connector, and this has just been rubbish. The first day it actually broke. You had to hold it, you know when your cable breaks and you have to hold it at a random angle to keep it charging. I had to do that, and now it won't even turn on, won't do anything. So that's the charger there. So I thought, well, it still had some juice in it. It broke while it still had some juice in the phone, still had some battery. So I thought, okay, I'll go and get an Apple charger the next day, so I can plug it in and charge it up. So it was still working at that point, but the cable just was a bit screwed up. And then here I brought the official Apple one, which cost me £15, quite a lot for a USB cable. So I plugged that in, charged it up. I just left it charging. It didn't seem like it was charging, and then it just randomly turned off and won't turn back on. So if I hold down the power button, it won't do anything. I tried charging up from the mains charger, from my USB cable, from my computer. I've tried different USB ports, but it does still recognise once you plug it in. So if I plug it in, you might be able to hear it recognise. I've tried putting it into recovery mode. Nothing seems to be working. It only charges up a certain, well, goes in a certain way with the actual lightning connector for some reason. As you can hear there, look, see, it plugged in when I turned it that way, so only that side comes up, but it just comes up USB device not recognised, and it's a bit of a pain in the bum. I wouldn't recommend buying this at the moment, and this is why the review has been delayed, because I can't actually get the phone working. But if you've got any ideas, please tell me in the comments down below. As I said, I tried the mains charger and that didn't work. I tried charging up through the computer, that didn't work. I tried putting into like a recovery mode, that didn't work. I've tried just holding down the home button and then plugging it in, that didn't work. Tried using all the buttons, never worked. And another complaint I've got to make, look at the back. What? Look at all the writing, it's just coming off. It just comes off if like you rub your thumb on it. Look, it's really poor. I don't expect that from them. I know it's like probably the first batch of black colour Zophone's i5. I wanted the black one because I thought it looked really nice, but look, it just comes off straight on your thumb. Don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it's a bit of a shame. But if you got any ideas, please comment down below. I want to get this phone working so I can bring you a review on it. It just feels like I had £150 and chucked it down the drain, because I obviously can't send it back, and I can't sign up to the website because you need a Chinese mobile number, and I don't have one. So if anyone could help me out, I'll be very grateful. Just comment down below or inbox us, that would be awesome, and hopefully we can bring you a review on this phone soon. I just think I don't have the right drivers for the device, because it says USB device not recognised. If I could get the drivers, install it, maybe flash a new ROM on it, maybe that will work, I'm not sure. But yeah, gonna cut the video now. This is Sam Morton from Tech Fusions. Please comment, like and subscribe, and hopefully we see more of this guy right here.